Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Nintendo Switch 2. So, this is what the packaging looks like. This is the Mario Kart World Bundle. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, there is tape here. Cut this. There we go. Wow. Feels very nice. All right, set this aside. Wow. Cool. Let's see what else is there. See Mario Kart World, scratch for download code. Set this aside. Got the HDMI cable. Yep, HDMI cable. Got the looks like a wrist strap. Cool. Another one. What else is in here? Ooh. Got a lot. Got the controller. Put the joysticks on. A lot going on here. Power. Power brick. USB-C. Power cable. Power cable. All right, and then finally, last but not least, in the box, yep, that's it, the dock. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of the Nintendo Switch 2 so far. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. And hope you're all doing well. Alright everyone, catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.